Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you're having a fantastic day today. Today, I'm actually going to take an excerpt from the webinar that I currently have running. So we're going to go through something called the offer, or creating an irresistible product offer. And this is something I find really, really important. And if you haven't had a chance to watch the whole webinar, then this video is going to really help you. We also have some giveaways. So if you're interested in this sort of content, make sure you are subscribed with your notifications turned on. Let's get into this video straight away. Okay, so last week I gave away 2 scholarships to the Seller Pro Academy. Finally, both people claimed their prize and they got enrolled and they're starting to consume the content, which is absolutely incredible. So congratulations to those 2 people. On today's video, this potentially is going to be the last one I ever do. So if you want to be able to win a full scholarship to the Seller Pro Academy, comment down below, like the video, and make sure you're following me on Instagram, because in 24 hours time after this video going live, I'm going to pick a winner and I will post it on my story. And obviously you have to then be able to see the story to see if you've won. Now, just a little disclaimer, guys. If you're just commenting loads and just like commenting then press enter and copying and pasting, what's happening is that your comments will go to the spam folder, which means then I won't ever see them. So don't do those sorts of things. Feel free to comment a few times. Let me know what you think. Do you want me to continue doing these giveaways? Do you like the value that I'm giving out to you guys? Feel free to engage properly. But if you're just copying and pasting, it's going to go into spam and you're going to just ruin your chances. So if you want to be able to get that, make sure you go and comment right now. Share the video, show everybody you know. The more exposure we can get for this awesome content, the better, and of course you get something in return as well. So fingers crossed for that. I'm going to bring up the slideshow right now. Let's put me down into the bottom right hand corner. Can the editor do that? Yeah, I'm the editor, so I'll just do that later. So what I'm going to do is take you through, this is probably going to be about 5 to 10 minutes, and it's, again, part of the webinar that I created so that we can really understand how to create an irresistible product offer for your customers. And I'll give you an example and a reason as to why this is important and why it's relevant to you. A lot of times you'll be looking at Jungle Scout, Viral Launch, Helium 10, and you'll be looking at all these products, and you'll think, oh, this is a good product. Is this a good product idea? High sales, lowish or medium competition. And if you were to send it to me, where many of my students do send me kind of product ideas to get feedback, and they say, is this a good product? And at the end of the day, guys, I can't answer that question, and the reason why I can't answer it is because I don't know how you're going to do it. If you go and sell the same thing that everyone else sells, then probably no, it's not going to be a good product. If you actually create an irresistible offer for the customers, you really stand out, you find a gap in the market, you find the opportunity, then yes, potentially it could be an incredible product. But it's not down to the numbers that make a difference, it's down to your implementation of how you actually create that product that makes a difference. A lot of people see the face value, the numbers, and go, oh my God, this is amazing, but they don't really think about the other stuff, and that's where a lot of people go wrong generally. If you look at people that just try this by themselves or other training programs, they're not really taught this stuff. So this is something I'm going to teach you today for free on the YouTube video, and hopefully by the end of this video it's really going to make a lot of sense to you. So let me ask you a question, okay? If you've seen the webinar, you would have seen this, right? But there's a lot to take in, so I'm going to go through it again here. Let me ask you a question. Who wants to go to dinner with me tonight? Okay, now think about this. Obviously I can't get your immediate reaction, but who wants to go to dinner with me tonight? A lot of you might be thinking, yeah, I could do that, or I'm pretty busy, to be honest, or I've got plans, or I'm actually in Scotland and I won't be able to get there in time. It's 6 p.m. now or whatever, and you just kind of like, take it or leave it, right? Some of you might really want to do this, but some of you might not, right? And it's a pretty boring question, right? Who wants to go to dinner with me tonight? Yeah, no, maybe. Okay, it's not that interesting, right? It doesn't really make you want to do it, okay? And go out of your way to do it. However, let me ask you the same question again, but a little bit differently. Who wants to go to dinner with me tonight? I'll teach you everything I know about Amazon FBA. I'll give you all my resources, all my training. I'll mentor you, and then we'll even get dessert. We'll even get dessert. We'll even get dessert. Okay? Who now wants to come? All right? I'm going to give you I'm going to teach you everything I know about Amazon FBA. I'm going to give you all my resources. Right? I'm going to mentor you personally, and we'll even get some ice cream. Right? Who now wants to come to dinner with me? What I've done there is I've created an irresistible offer, because I know that a lot of you guys and girls watching want to learn about Amazon FBA. That's what this channel is about. I know my audience. So if I was able to give something to you guys that is irresistible, it's a no-brainer, you'd jump at the chance to do it, right? And even if I charged for this, if I said, look, it's going to be this much money, still people would be fighting for the chance to do that. If I said there's only one spot and it's going to be £1,000, people would be like, oh, right? People go mad for it. It's an irresistible offer. It's an offer that you guys want. The only way I can do that is by understanding and empathizing with you. Okay, so what you want to do on Amazon is you need to create an irresistible offer. You don't want to be the seller that's just saying, do you want to go to dinner with me tonight? You want to be the seller that's saying, hey, do you want to go to dinner with me tonight? I'm going to teach you everything I know about Amazon FBA. I will give you all my resources, and we'll even get some cheesecake. Right? That's what you want to be doing. So this is how you create an irresistible offer. So I'm going to show you some Gucci shoes, right? I got these for my girlfriend last year. Terribly uncomfortable shoes, apparently. So you could buy them, right? You could just go and be, okay, I'm going to go and buy these shoes. But what if, say you had two high street shops next to each other. In one shop, they were selling this product, right, the Gucci shoes just by themselves. But in the product directly next door, they were selling it like this. They had the actual shoes, they had a nice carry bag, they had like a little book, maybe about, I don't know, care of shoes, right, and then like a crepe protect thing, right, to keep your shoes looking shiny and to keep them white for longer. Which one are you going to buy? Even if the one on the right was a little bit more expensive, right? Which one would you buy? You'd probably be like, do you know what, actually, I'm going to buy the one that has a better offer, right? Because it's better, rather than just buy the shoes by themselves and not really get anything extra at all. The other way you can look at this is having the same product but a different offer. Same product, different offer. And I'm going to show you a real life example of this. You can go on Amazon, you can check these figures if you want. So this is one of my competitors, and they are selling their product cheaper than mine, okay? I've got mine, this is actually an old picture. But what I've done is got the same exact product, right? You can see it's the same product. The branding is, yes, it's a little bit different, but the main thing that's different is the offer. Right? I'm not bundling in loads of different things. I'm not saying, hey, we can give you a towel to wipe the tears from your eyes and all this other stuff. I've just created some digital products, okay? Ebook, application, stuff like that. Stuff that costs money once and then doesn't really cost anything going forward. Same product, different offer, but I'm able to command a significantly higher price. So their one sells for like £10, £11. Okay, my one sells for 15, it's $14.97. Do you think that mine costs another £4 per unit to sell or to buy? Of course it doesn't. Of course it doesn't cost me an extra £4. I'm just able to make £4 more profit than these guys because I have the same product, but I have a different offer that helps the customers. It really helps the customers. So what you need to understand, guys, is that people buy offers, not products. People make decisions, buying decisions, based upon the offer, not the actual product. And a prime example of this is you go to the shopping, like a supermarket, you go to Sainsbury's or, you know, Waitrose if you're that kind of posh, and you go down an aisle and you see buy one, get one free, or buy two for £2. And you're like, oh, an offer. And then actually, if you were to work it out, you're really not saving that much money, or sometimes you're just actually not saving money. People just say, buy two for one, or buy two for £2, when actually, if you buy one, it's like 99p, or it's £1.05. There's almost nothing in it. People buy offers, not products. So what you need to do with your Amazon products is think about, okay, you've got some sales data, you've got some reviews, you've got a product that is, you know, small, light, you can personal brand it, you can private label it. how can I stand out with a different product offer? With the same product, but a different product offer. Have a think about that. And that's where you're going to find that opportunity. So that's what I really want you guys to be doing. I always come back to this quote from Steve Jobs, and he said, quality is more important than quantity. One home run is much better than two doubles. Right? The absolute key to creating amazing products is having laser focus on one thing at a time. Okay, so focus on making your product offer incredible for that one product, and what you'll find is it'll be easier to sell, you'll be able to make more profit, you'll have happier customers, and it'll mean you can scale quicker, right? Because you've got more profit, you've got more to reinvest in the company, right? You know, people always say, don't put all your eggs in one basket, okay? But honestly, guys, put all your eggs in one basket when it comes to Amazon. And the main thing I want to get across to you for this video is if you're going to do it right once, all right? Do it right once. You don't want to release a product and think, oh, do you know what? It's all right. So the bundle's okay. Just make it better, right? Just spend an extra couple of weeks thinking about it and make the product offer better, because it will give you more longevity, it will make you more successful. And that's what I've seen time and time again from all of my students, from myself, all the people that have had success out of it. They've created a better offer than their competitors, which means that they don't have to compete on price. They don't have to worry about, are they going to get awful reviews, because they're getting good reviews from their actual real customers, because it's a good product offer. It's more irresistible than the competition. Okay, so that's the kind of excerpt I wanted to take from this training today, and that's then when we're going through kind of when we're going through the product offer and stuff like that. You see that on the top right hand side. We then move on to sourcing, creating, launching, all that sort of stuff. So if you want to go and check that out, there'll be a link down in the description. You can go and check that out. You can register for free and all that sort of stuff. It's basically the most thorough training I've done on my strategy. So if you want to go and watch that, then feel free to go and watch that. So there we go, guys. Hopefully you have enjoyed that video and you understand that people buy offers, not products. So when you're doing your product research, instead of looking just at the numbers and just at the reviews and just at the weights, think about, okay, this is a cool product. This has potential to be successful. How am I going to create a better offer than my competition so that people buy my product? I can make more money, I can make more sales, I can have better reviews, I can have more longevity, I can scale quicker, I can make more money, and I can be successful. So that's what I want you to take from today. People buy offers, not products. So guys, remember, that is going to be the end of this video. If you want to win the scholarship to the Seller Pro Academy, comment on this video, like it, make sure you're obviously subscribed with your notifications turned on. Within 24 hours of this video going live, I will be picking a winner on Instagram. Once I've picked a winner, I keep thinking of pick me a winner. Once I have selected a winner, then you have 24 hours to get in contact with me, and I will enroll you into the Seller Pro Academy 100% for free. So there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all very soon. Bye-bye.